Yes, that's the Minister of Humanitarian. So we are waiting. I'll try to talk to my people to be calm and let's have patience to wait for the minister where he come to address the current situation on ground so that the school can be open so that the blind adult can go back to the school. The school is for adult blind, the blind adults, to rehabilitate blind adults from the age of 18 to 60 years. The school was built by the Royal Society for the Commonwealth, now known as Sight Saver now, was built in 1957, long time ago.
So you hope to get an assurance about the opening of the school?
Yes, that is what we want from the honorable ministers.
What else do you want?
And also to address the welfare of persons with disability, PWDs. We are dying. The Renew Hope agenda, we were not captured. They said there's a poverty alleviation, Minister of Poverty Alleviation. All of us that is here, I will tell you the truth, that none of us here are beneficiaries of that program. Yes. Who is poor compared to the blind people? We can't live in the urban area. We live in the rural area. We can't have a good food. We can't pay rent. We can't pay bills. When the subsidy was removed, it affected us big time. Because for a blind person to move, you need a guide. Even for somebody to move on his own, it's not easy. Not to talk of a blind person. So the blind person is paying double. So the subsidy matters. It's really telling on us. So we can't go anywhere. We can't move. So it's really a pain. We're going through pains. So that's why we decided today that we'll come here. This is the only place that we can come and let our voice heard. Calling on the president and the ministers, those in authority, to come and look into this, because it's a matter that needs immediate attention. Immediate attention. Our members are dying silently.
I came for a protest for our rights, our welfare, and for them to open our school. My school. I'm a student of Nigerian FARMCRAFT Center for the Blind, Isheri, Wolof. They should open this school. We left that school 1st of June last year. They promised us they will resume by August. August, we did not resume. September, October to this year, 2025. And they said by July the school will open. That government have not been bringing allocation to the school. That by July they will add the school to their budget. But up to now, nothing has happened. So that's why I'm here, for them to open the school. My name is Elike Sylvia. I was nominated by my state, Delta State,